Good day, everyone. This is me, Teacher Sharmina Saleda, your computer teacher. Our topic for today is all about creating an Excel table. In this lesson, you should be able to learn how to modify your rows and height, differentiate the use of wrapping text, and merging cells. To modify column and width, the first step that you need to do is to position your mouse over the column line in the column heading so that the white cross becomes a double arrow, just like this one. Okay, as you can see now, the white cross turned into a double arrow when we put it on the position of the column or on the line in between the columns that we have in the Excel table. Step number 2, you're going to click and drag the column to the right to increase the column width or to the left to decrease the column width. Using the left button of your mouse, you're going to press and hold it and drag it to the right direction to widen the range of the cell. But if you want to decrease, okay, if you want to decrease the range of the cell, you're going to move your mouse on the left side, okay, to decrease the range of the cell. That is how you are going to change the size of the width of the cell that is active on your spreadsheet. Step number 3, you're going to release the mouse. The column width will be changed in your spreadsheet. Just like what I have shown you a while ago, that is how you are going to change the range of your width with the help of the columns or the different columns that is available on your spreadsheet. Now, to set column width with a specific measurement, select the column that you want to modify. For an example, we are going to modify cell A1. Okay? We are going to select a specific cell, which is cell A1. As you can see, cell A1 is the active cell. Click the Format command on the Home tab. You're going to find under your Home tab, you are going to find the Format menu. As you can see here, this is the Format menu command. On the Home tab, the Format select the Format drop-down menu of the Format uh, Format menu. As you can see, as you select the drop-down arrow, at the bottom part of the Format menu, you will see the different options for you to change the row of the cell and the column width of the cell. Select column width. Okay, after selecting column width, the column width dialog box will appear on your screen. Enter a specific measurement. For an example, you're going to, or for example, you're going to change it into 9.50. After entering the specific measurement for the width of the cell, you're going to select OK. As you can see here, when we select the OK button, the exact measurement that you have entered with the column or with the width of the column is already applied on the specific cell that we are modifying. Okay, to modify the row and the height, you're going to, or the first step is, position the cursor over the row line so that the white cross becomes a double arrow, just like this one. Okay? Click and drag the row down to increase the row height. You're going to, using the left button of your mouse again, you're going to press and hold it and drag it down to increase the size of the row. Okay? If you want to decrease the size of the row, using the left button of your mouse again, you're going to press and hold it and drag it up to decrease the size of the cell. That is how you are going to change the size of your row by increasing and decreasing the size of it. Okay. Next step is to set row height with a specific measurement. We're just going to apply the same step on how you are going to change the height of your row. Just like what we have done in formatting or entering the specific measurement of a width, you're just going to select the format menu. After selecting the drop down arrow on the format menu, you're just going to select row height. After selecting row height, you can see a pop-up menu will appear on your screen. You're just going to delete the default measurement of the cell or the row of the cell. You're just going to delete it. After deleting the default measurement, you're going to enter the specific measurement that you want to apply on the row of the active cell. For example, you're going to use 10 as the height of the row. After entering the specific height of the row, you're going to select OK for the measurement to be applied on the specific active cell. As you can see now, the measurement that we have entered on the format menu is already applied on the active cell. That is how you are going to change the row or the height and the width of the active cell that is available on your spreadsheet. These are the different steps on how you are going to change the range or the width and the height of the cell that you can see on your spreadsheet area. Always remember that the different steps that I have shown you a while ago is also applicable on the different cells that you can see on your spreadsheet. If you have any questions regarding our lesson for today, don't hesitate to message me in our LMS. Once again, this is Teacher Sharmina Zaleda, your computer teacher. Goodbye and God bless.